Hello and welcome to COMOSYS Learning Tutorials. In this video we are going to learn about adding a new material in COMOSYS database. In the Edit menu we can see Materials icon. We need to click on that icon. We can see there are already several international standard materials are defined. Now we'll try to add new material by clicking on Add New option. A new window will open for us to input the data of the new material. Initially, we need to select the type of the material that we are going to create from the list of available basic types of materials. Let's select steel and then give a name to the new materials as S275JR. We need to provide the strength of materials data in appropriate boxes given below. We can also change the units as required. Both metric and imperial system units are available for input purpose. Let's click on OK and see our newly created material down in the list. And then click on Close to finish the process. Now, we will try applying our newly created material to a column in the model. If you have any questions or clarifications, please do let us know. Thank you.